Hello everyone, it's Crystal Adamo here over at RE/MAX Rocky View Real Estate and the Crystal Adamo team. I'm over at the Iron Horse Condominium Complex here in Airdrie. This great complex is very well managed, and the condo fees include all of the utilities except your internet and your cable. It is very well managed, and I actually sit on the board of directors and can tell you that it is a great place to call home. Whether you're a young family, an individual, or even a senior, this is a great building. Today we are featuring a top floor corner unit that has 2 bedrooms and a large bathroom. It has seen some updates such as freshly painted, and it's got a west-facing balcony so that you get some really good west light. Feel free to give me a call if you'd like to take a tour or if we can help you with any of your real estate needs. I hope you enjoy this one.